In this short video I'm going to show you how to find a cross product. So we're going to look at A cross B and learn how to work that out. So start with a very simple example. Just finding the cross product between A, which is just 1, 1, 1, and B, which is 1, 2, 3. And to find a cross product, you write out ijk and then write the two vectors underneath each other as so. ijk are your components in each of the three directions. Then you've got your first vector and then your second vector. Now we're going to take all of this that we've written here and write it out again next to itself. And then we're going to cross the components. We're going to multiply all of the I diagonal, so I times 1 times 3, then cross I in the other direction, the other I, like that, which gives 3 minus 2. Because this, you're doing 1 times 3 and you're subtracting the other diagonal. So the ones going left to right are positive, the ones going right to left, think of those as being negative. So you've got I times 1 times 3, that's 3I, minus I times 2 times 1, that's minus 2I. Do the same thing with J, that's just J, and then multiply it in the opposite direction. So you get J times 3, and this is the negative direction, which gives you this, 1J minus 3J. And then exactly the same thing, cross over the K's. You do this diagonal, that's 2K, and then subtract this diagonal, which is minus K. Gives this. You just simplify this, which gives you that, and you can write that as a point because each of these are unit vectors in your three x, y, and z directions. So you can rewrite that as that. That's really all a cross product is. Just multiplying diagonally each of the three components, positive and negative. There is another way to do it. If you've got two vectors and the angle between them, you can simply use this formula, where that's the magnitude of A and the magnitude of B times the sine of the angle between them, like that angle there, and then these two magnitudes. And to work out a magnitude, you're just taking each of the components, squaring them, and square rooting them. That's all there really is to a cross product.